solid state because the ions are held together by strong ionic bonds and are not free to move. Next, 3. Non-electrolyte is a chemical compound which does not conduct electricity in any state. Electrolysis of aqueous solutions. An aqueous solution is produced when a solute is dissolved in water. Hence, 4 types of ions are produced from the dissociation of salts in aqueous solution. For example, in an aqueous sodium chloride solution, 4 types of ions are present in the solution. Sodium chloride dissociate in water to form Na positive, Cl negative, H positive, and OH negative. 2 types of cation ions will move towards the cathode, while another 2 types of ions will move towards the anode during electrolysis. However, only 1 type of cation ions and anion ions will be selectively discharged at each electrode. The factors that determine the type of ions to be discharged at the electrodes. Positions of ions in the electrochemical series. The lower the position of the ion in the electrochemical series, the easier the ion is discharged. Next, concentration of ions in the solution. When the concentration of a particular type of ion is high, that ion will more likely be discharged in electrolysis regardless of its position in the electrochemical series. In the electrolysis of concentrated halide solutions, usually the halide ions will be selectively discharged at the anodes as the concentration of the halide ions is always higher than the hydroxide ion OH negative.
Hey Danny, how about the types of electrodes used?
Good question. Carbon and platinum electrodes are inert. They do not react with the electrolytes or the products of electrolysis. Metal electrodes are reactive electrodes and they take part in the electrolysis. At anode, the metal electrode starts to corrode by donating its electron and becomes ions. At cathode, selection of the ions to be discharged is determined by the position of the ions in the electrochemical series or the concentration of the ions. Here's a cool concept: electroplating.
I know that one! Electroplating is a process carried out to coat the surface of metal objects with a thin and even layer of another metal.
Yup, there are 3 conditions in electroplating metals. The object to be electroplated is used as the cathode. The anode is the electroplating metal. The electrolyte is a solution that contains the metal ions.
Do you think I know enough now to build my own robot?
Let's just say we haven't reached that stage yet. Maybe after you've answered all the questions I have prepared without my help.
Bring it on!
Diagram shows a voltaic cell. Which of the following will reflect a higher reading on the voltmeter?
The answer is C. Replace the aluminium plate with a magnesium plate.
Whoa! Okay, explain.
The further apart the metal plates are in the electrochemical series, the higher the potential difference. So the higher the voltmeter reading will be.
Good one! You're actually... 2. Electrolysis of molten lead-2 bromide is carried out using carbon electrodes. Which of the following is the correct half equation at the anode?
Anions. The negatively charged ions are discharged at the anode. Therefore, bromide ions will be attracted to the anode to be discharged. 2 bromide ions will release electrons to become 1 molecule of bromine gas. The answer is A. 2 Br negative, Br2 plus 2E negative.
Exactly! You're on a roll. Next question. 3. Diagram shows the apparatus setup for the electroplating of an iron ring with silver. Which of the half equations represent the reactions at the anode and the cathode?
Okay, the answer is A. At the anode, silver electrode will corrode to form ions, and at the cathode, silver ions will be discharged. So the ion ring is electroplated with silver.
Remember, during electroplating, a small current is passed through the circuit to ensure even plating. Okay, Lisa, it's not over. Take a break and be back for the structured questions.